Come test drive the 2018
Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow.
and it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options:
Backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power liftgate,
traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system,
Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel.
Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.